still, a little glow that doesn't fade. Your name drifts through my memory like a slow familiar wave. The curtains sway with the night breeze, casting shadows like old friends. And I sink deeper into the quiet, letting the world dissolve at the edges. I hear the softest piano notes falling like rain on wooden floors, and the gentle strum of guitar echoes through the empty corridors of thought. Every chord a tender caress, every pause a breath